At any given moment, there are multiple changes moving through the business. Some are small, some are critical. Most are interconnected. And the difficulty isn't seeing the change exists. It's understanding how it flows, what it affects, and whether everything still holds together as it moves forward. Because those answers don't live in one place. They sit across how work is performed, how it's validated, how execution is managed, and how change is interpreted. When those perspectives are disconnected, decisions take longer, risk becomes harder to see, and confidence starts to erode. Worksoft Connective Automation Platform brings those elements into alignment. It connects how the business actually runs with how it's tested, executed, and understood, so every step is informed by the one before it. Within that flow, patterns begin to surface. Changes can be traced to real usage. Automation adjusts as systems evolve, and validation is guided by what carries the most risk. Insight arrives already shaped for decision-making, not something teams have to piece together after the fact. So, instead of reacting to change after it happens, teams can stay aligned with it as it moves. You're not just automating tests. You're establishing control over how change is understood, validated, and delivered across the enterprise. Smarter testing starts here.